Hey guys, really quick video. I'm going to do a longer form podcast on this later this week. There's a lot of consolidation going on in the industry between CROs, and there's like a bidding war between the CROs, the different CROs in the industry, and the sponsors that are actually contracting with them for studies. Perfect example is this week. We lost a study, which I won't mention which one, obviously, and the reason was, at least the CRO is telling us that it wasn't a safety issue, it was just lack of efficacy. But when I looked into it more, I saw that the same sponsors doing the exact same study are planning on doing the exact same study with a different CRO. So it wasn't necessarily lack of efficacy. They were probably not happy with the CRO for whatever reason, and are switching to a different CRO. And these things happen, and we just lost the study. We were doing the study for a year and a half. I had people line up to screen. It was a good study, well-paying study, and they just decided to stop the study. And these things happen in the industry. They go on all the time. You have to learn how to adapt. I'm going after the other CRO now to position myself for when they're going to be starting the other study. So much more on this in the long form podcast, but there is a lot of, bidding wars going on, and a lot of just fierce competition between the CROs right now and the sponsors, who are all facing their expiring patents and are looking for different ways to cut costs or to just get more innovative as far as how they execute their trials. And we'll see if there's any more of this flip-flopping between CROs for the studies, but don't necessarily buy into the belief that the study is always stopped because of a lack of efficacy, because it's not the case. That's what I was told in this case, but when I looked into it and talked with some of the other PIs from other sites, that's what they told me. They said, hey, check out this same sponsor's doing the study with a different CRO pretty soon, and they barely didn't change the protocol at all. So not necessarily everything you hear is not necessarily the truth when it comes to these kind of things. And also be careful of where you get your source from. If you're hearing from the CRO that lost the study, you may be hearing a very different story from the actual sponsor. So don't always accept things at face value. Look into it and learn how to adapt. This is Dan from theclinicaltrials.guru. Thank you.